Yo, what's up? Me again, and this is a reply to your combo number 2. I'm actually going to try it out. I've tried it a couple times. Got a nice couple stab wounds from it, but oh well, I'll live. But, yeah, hopefully this goes all well. Oh, what? I caught it like that when my thumb was in between it, but... Alright, let's see how many times. Let's see, What? Shit. Shit. Oh, I caught it closed. Oh yeah. That is actually the first time I've ever caught it like that. Most of the time I caught it like that. But wow. Shit. Let's see if I can do that again. No. Oh yeah. Anyways, that's this has turned into one of my favorites. Thanks for posting that actually, but hopefully I see more. I'll try them out. See you later, bro. Peace.